chest. C-H-E-S-T, chest. C-H-E-S-T-S, chest. Next word is C-H-I-L-D, child. C-H-I-L-D, C-H-I-L-D, child. Okay. Here are some sentences. Let's read. C-H-A-I-N, chain. A-N-D, and dash. Chain and dash. Look at the picture. A chain and this picture of chips. Chain. Okay. Now we have to write down the spellings of chips in the blank. Chips. Ips. Chips. Means C-H, Ips, I-P-S, chips. A chain and chips. Okay. Here is our next sentence. A dash, A-N-D, and a dash. A dash and a dash. Look at the picture. What is this? This is chair and this one is chalk. Chair and chalk. तो हम फर्स्ट ब्लैंक में चेयर लिखेंगे. चेयर मीन्स एयर. चेयर. मीन्स CH air, A-I-R, air. Next one. This is chalk. What is this? This is chalk. And what is the spelling of chalk? H-L-K, chalk. C-H-A-L-K, chalk. Chair and chalk. Okay, so next sentence. A dash, A-N-D, and a dash. And look at the picture. What is this? This is a picture of chick. Chick and chimp. Chimp means chimpanzee. The short form of chimpanzee is chimp. And we have to write down the spelling first of all. Chick. 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 C-H-I-C-K, chick. And the next picture is chimpanzee. Chimp. And what is the spelling of chimp? C-H-imp, I-M-P, imp. Okay. Yes. Now all the sentences are complete. And here is our next page. Sound of SH. Sound of SH. And the phonic sound of SH is sh. The phonic sound of SH is sh. Okay. Here is our first word. S-H-A-R-K, shark. S-H-A-R-K, shark. S-H, A-R-K, ark. Shark. Okay. Here is our next picture. H-A-R-T, shark.
Ma'am, page number.
H-A-R-T, shark.
S-H-A-R-T,
sharp. And the page number is
page number.
Page number 84. S-A-R-P, sharp. Sharp, A-R-P, arp. Okay. Here is our next word. S-H-E-E-P,
S-H-E-E-P, sheep. S-H-E-E-P, S-H-A-R-K, shark. S-H-A-R-K,
and here is the next word. S-H-E-L-L, shell. S-H-E-L-L, shell. And S-H-I-P, ship. Shop-I-P, ip. S-H-I-P, ship. Here is the next word. S-H-I-R-T, shirt. S-H-I-R-T, shirt. S-H-I-R-T, shirt. Okay. And here is our next word. S-H-O-E, shoe. S-H-O-E, shoe. Next word is S-H-O-P, shop. S-H-O-P-O, shop. Next one is S-H-U-T, shirt. S-H-U-T, shirt. And here are some sentences. Let's read. T-H-I-S, this. I-S, is. M-Y, my. This is my dash. And what is this? This is a picture of sheep. Look here. This is a picture of sheep. And what is the spelling of sheep? S-H-E-E-P, sheep. Now we have to write down the spelling of sheep here. S-H-E-E-P, sheep. This is my sheep. Okay. Next one is T-H-A-T, that. T-H-A-T, that. Dash, I-S is R-E-D, red. That dash is red. And look at the picture. What is this? This is a picture of shoe. Look, this is the picture of shoe. And what is the spelling of shoe? S-H-O-E. Now we have to write here. S-H-O-E, shoe. That shoe is red. Okay. Now our sentence is complete. Here is our next sentence. T-H-I-S, this. I-S is a dash. This is a dash. And what is this? This is a picture of shark. Shark. And what is the spelling of shark? S-H-A-R-K. Shark. Shark. S-H-A-R-K. S-H-A-R-K, shark. This is a shark. This is a shark. So, dear students, you also revise page number 83 and 84. Okay. You have to learn the spellings of these pictures also. आपको ये जो pictures दी गई हैं, उन सब spellings भी learn करने हैं. Okay. Yes. Now, my dear students, this is the time to revise the poem. Here is our first poem. Yes. Tree. I am a big tree. La la la. These are my branches and these are my leaves. These are my flowers and these are my fruit. I give shade to bird and you. Okay? Let's revise with me. Tree. I am a big tree. La la.
I am a big tree. La la la. These are my branches and these are my leaves.
These are my flowers.
These are my flowers. These are my fruits.
I give shade
to
birds and
you.
Very good. Here is our next poem, number rhyme. Let's revise. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3,
4, 5, 6, pick up the stick. 7, 8, land and stand. 9, 10, big hat. 4, 5, pick up the stick.
9, 10. A big
1, 2, buckle my shoes. 3, 4, shut and door. 5, 6, pick up the stick. 7, 8, slam and stand. 9, 10, big fight.
5, pick up stick. 7, 8, let them stay. 9, 10, a big fat hen. Okay. Here is our next poem. I'm a little snowman.
I'm a little snowman. Not my friend.
Here is my scarf. And
I
here
am a little snowman. Here is my
scarf and here is my hat. When it's cold,
I melt away.
I will stay. But when it gets hot, I melt away.
but when
Very
it
good.
gets hot,
And here is our last poem.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Was I get fish alive? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go again. Why did you let it go? Because my mom it bit my
Very good. Because it bit my finger, so which
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I got fish alive. वहाँ बोलिए तो 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I get fish alive. Then 2, 3, 4, 5. Then once I got the fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Why did you let it go? When I let it because it bit my finger. It go again.
रिकॉर्डिंग कर मुझे 1 मिनट बच्चों से बात करनी बंद कर